Hi guys, today you can fly with me along Sam Roi Yot Beach.
Welcome to Thailand Lifestyle. We are Nann
and Odin. Make the best out of your day, every day. We found many beautiful beaches in Prachuap Khiri Khan province. Once you are away from cities, you can easily find beaches where you are alone, especially off-season. We fly in the evening because of the light and the shades. We had a delicious Thai dinner at this beach at a restaurant we visited with Thomas during our last trip to Sam Roi Yot. If you want to see what is behind those mountains, watch this video introducing 2 flight spots. I link this video in the description below. If you want to stay with us, click on one of these thumbnails. Thank you for watching, and not forget to click like and to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.